This is gonna not be too long of a video, but I do want to finally get this done. It took me so long to do this video. I was waiting on the Versagel with the shipping. This COVID really got to go because it's taking so long for the stuff to come. Like, I really don't get it. But anyways, I got this I'm trying something new. I'm using this Versagel from Brat's Bougie collection. We're gonna see how this works for me today. And this is their cute little business card to Etsy shop. Also, they have their own website, so support them. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So right here, I am sanitizing the lip gloss tubes in dish detergent. Yeah, can't have dirty lip gloss tubes. And now I'm letting the lip gloss tube tops and the lip gloss tubes air dry on a paper towel on a plate. I had tied around a rubber band around it so they could stick together. All right, in this part of the video, I am pouring Versagel. And now I think I'm just about to shut up and let y'all watch the video and see how I make my lip gloss. Stay tuned. All right, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.